Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box, not only to me, but to the subscription world. This is the first time ever debuting, anybody can debut this particular subscription box. This is her first box ever, and that is the Glitter Bitch box. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and again, this is the very first box ever released. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this had a regular mailer over it. This has seen some better days with, of course, our lovely United States Postal Service. So this is the very first bi-monthly box. Sorry with my glare. This is an all silver metallic box, the whole entire thing. So it's definitely picking up my lights. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. Glitter Bitch, okay. The Glitter Bitch box is packed with unique, fabulous, and fun products handpicked by Trisha Paytas. 7+ items are in each box with a retail value of $150 or more. They're only available through US and Canada for now. More countries will be added as soon as they can. The first box ships on June 21st, and that is what I have in my hands right now. And you can do box to box plan, which again, it's bi-monthly, so every other month, 6 boxes per year, and it's $59.99 a box. Semi-annual prepaid 3 boxes is $164.97, or you can do the annual 6 boxes altogether for $299.94. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is all in here and see if it is worth the $59.99. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. And I did see she was going to try to change this, I guess, every other month, put a different picture of her. So this is this month's with the card. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and see. It says, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And it says, thank you. Your support means the world to me. And I hope you enjoy your very first Glitter Bitch box, Trisha. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. There is a Glitter Bitch sticker with this really cute tissue paper that has little cool silver stars on it. And I guess she's all about glitter. So let's see what we have. All right, you guys, so once I open the tissue paper, that's what it looks like inside. I see tons of pink and glitter. So right on top, we have this item right here. And I believe this is a passport. I don't see like a card telling you anything. So I believe this is the passport pouch. Yes. So this is a little pouch, all pink and glitterified, and that says Glitter Bitch right there. So this is for passports, so that is cool. I do know that I need to get a passport, so I will definitely save this. So as soon as I get one, I will use this for my passport. So there's item number 1. Item number 2 is going to be this purse right here. So there is a clear plastic purse, and inside it has a little zipper right there. There's this. So this is completely pink. I do see there's some scuffs or fingerprints or something on the plastic that was already there as soon as I'm pulling it out. There's that. So it's cute. You can use it as a little handbag, or I think, yes, in here is the straps. So you can actually attach it to the side of the purse and have it longer. And then there's this little Glitter Bitch bag that's down inside, and it's all just pink lined inside. So this is item number 2 that has a bonus inside. So I guess this would be like 3 items because there's this inside of this. That is a cute little purse. I carry bigger purses, so it's definitely not my style, but I know I'm sure it's somebody out there's style. But that is definitely cute. Next we have, and this is what I'm actually excited about, Glitter Bitch popcorn maker. So it tells you how to pop the popcorn. Here's a little card for that. And that's what it'll look like once you pop it. So here is some kernels that is in this bag with the Glitter Bitch sticker on it. And then here is the actual bag. Let's get this open to show you how it pops out. I seen her unboxing, so I already know what the items were going to be after I already ordered the box. So let's see, that should be the bottom, right? Yes. So here is the bottom of it. So that pops out to be this little bowl, and it says Glitter Bitch right on top. There is the inside. I do like that it collapses so you can just stick it in your drawer and it's not taking up the full bowl space, you know what I mean? So you put your little inside here, pop it in the microwave, and then you put this lid on top so it kind of confines the popcorn. There's little, so it looks like it's supposed to be like little popcorn on the silicone top as well. So that is cool. I can't wait to make popcorn in this, and there's supposed to be glitter for it. Yes, right here. Here is the glitter potion stick, and in her video she said that it tastes like watermelon, bubblegum, and some other things. So I'm not quite sure what this is supposed to taste like. Let me see if I can get this opened and we can find out what it really tastes or smells like. I'm like, that's a lot of different flavors right there. So I'm gonna have to see when I get mine what it really is like. So let's see here. Ooh. All right. Oh, good thing I just did that part over the bag because it literally is overflowing. Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna have to pour some out because there's no way this is going back in. Why would they feel so, how in the world do they feel so much in there? So let me see. I have no clue what in the world you would say that tastes like. Honestly, to me, it tastes like, what is that stuff that's in the long tube and it's just like sugar inside? What is that candy called? That's what it doesn't mean. I don't taste watermelon, that's for sure. I'm not quite sure, but that is what you put on top of the popcorn to give it some flavor and some glitter. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out because now that I have this all over my whole little station here. So that goes with the popcorn. Let me set that aside with my mess and all. And let's see what else is in here, you guys. Now we have a Nick Chavez Beverly Hills Diva Glitzy Styling Gel Glaze Body and Bounce. So there is that guy right there. I don't use anything in my hair, so I'll probably set that aside for one of you guys. Then there is here is a roller, and I have a few of these already, so I don't need another one. So here is like a jade roller. It has rose gold with pink quartz or pink jade roller. Everything is all pink, you guys. Then we have a glow mask by Cover Coco London. There is that guy right there. There's the top. And it's a peel off mask. I'm more a sheet mask type of person. So there's the packaging. I don't want to open it because I'm going to go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. The top of the packaging looks a little like used and abused. I don't know if you're going to see the little scratches on top. That's already there straight out of a brand new package. But there's that. So I'll put that back in the box. Then the next thing, or the last item we have in here, is this Glitter Bitch. It's a We're Born to Sparkle, command attention whenever the occasion. Perfect for festival, raves, holidays, or a fun night out. Safe to use on body, face, hair, and nails. Easy to apply. Apply the glitter with your fingers or makeup brush and that shimmering look. Oh, for that shimmering look. For a firmer hold, apply a little gel first. Easy to rinse off with soap and water. So here is a little set of glitter. I'm not a glittery person. I have a few things from like ColourPop that have glitter in it. So this I'll go ahead and set aside for one of you guys as well. And that is everything that is in here, you guys. So what do you think? Again, going over the box, we have this complete little popcorn thing, which I think is kind of a cool little thing, but that's for popcorn lovers. There's a passport, which I'll like that. And then all this other stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and put in a giveaway. You know what? I'll just go ahead and do a giveaway right now for you guys. If you're interested in receiving this purse, the Glitter Bitch pouch, the jade roller, the Glitter Bitch glitter, this glitter peel off mask, and the Diva Nick Chavez Beverly Hills Silky Styling Glaze. If you would like to get all of these, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a giveaway right now for you guys. I'm gonna let this run for 2 weeks from today. Down below in the description box, we'll have the end date. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick all these in here for you guys. Let's see here. Okay, so this is everything that you will win. I'll throw a few other goodies in there for you guys as well. So if you're interested in receiving all of this stuff right here from the Glitter Bitch first debut box, then this is what you have to do. You must be subscribed to my channel. That's a #1 rule on all of my giveaways, is I give back to those that are supporting me. So you must be subscribed. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can enter in and watch future giveaways and join the fun on my channel. #2, you must like this video. You must leave a comment down below and put the word enter me with whatever else you want to put in the comment, or if you just want to put enter me, that's fine as well. If you do have an Instagram handle and you want to leave that, if you are the winner, I can at least comment to your comment and send you a message on Instagram, because I know YouTube sometimes is not doing notifications or letting people know when you are being like notifications when you're being notified. So if you do have an Instagram and you want to leave that or your email, then I have another way to get a hold of you, just because when the 2 weeks is up, I will use a random comment picker. They will pick a comment. If you have the word enter me in it, then I will reply back to your comment and let you know you are the winner. You will have 48 hours to respond back to me to claim the prize. If you do not respond within 48 hours, I will have the random comment picker choose another comment, and that winner, same rules will apply. You have 48 hours. The other rule, you must be over the age of 18. If you're not over the age of 18, please have a parent or legal guardian enter in for you. And you must have a U.S. residence for me to ship this to. I don't care where you live, as long as you have a U.S. shipping address for me to ship these to keep costs down for me on shipping, because I pay for all of this stuff. So be subscribed, like and comment. In that comment, you must say enter me. You must be over the age of 18 and have a United States residence to ship this to. That is all. Plain and simple. You don't need to like, well, you need to like the video, but you don't need to share me, tag so many people. I'm not going to have you like jump through hoops or anything like that. I keep my giveaways as simple as I can. So that is all. Comment, like, be subscribed, be over the age of 18, or have somebody intern for you that is, and then be able to ship these to a United States residence. And all of this stuff in this bag right here, plus a few other goodies, will be yours. Again, there are a few little scuffs on here. They were already here. That is how it was delivered to me. So if you do want these, plus a few other things that I will throw in, now you know how to enter. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. What do you think? Do you think this was worth the money? Do you want to see another box? Because again, this is bi-monthly. So if I do another month, it'll be in another 2 months from now. We'll be able to see what her second box is. So if you think that it's worth it or you want to see another box, comment down below, let me know, and I will make it happen, Captain. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you're not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it for you to stick around. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.